Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to view only profile results when searching on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Whether you're trying to connect with creators, discover new brands, or just want to filter out everything except user profiles, this updated guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Pinterest app open on your device. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now so you're ready to start searching. Once you're in the app, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the search icon. It looks like a small magnifying glass and is your gateway to exploring everything Pinterest has to offer. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in the term or name you're interested in. This could be a specific creator, a brand, or any keyword related to the profiles you want to find. After entering your search term, glance up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a filter icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines with dots on them. Tap that icon to open up your search filter options. Here's where the magic happens. In the filter menu, you'll see several options for narrowing down your search results. Look for the option labeled Profiles. Tap on it to select it, then confirm your choice. Pinterest will now refresh your search results and show you only profiles that match your search term. No more scrolling through pins, boards, or unrelated content, just the profiles you're looking for, all in one place. That's all it takes. This simple filter makes it so much easier to connect with people and brands on Pinterest, especially if you're networking, collaborating, or just exploring new accounts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of Pinterest. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.